Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into an innovative solution to a pressing global issue, tire waste. This solution, known as Tyre Pyrolysis, is a transformative process that repurposes old, discarded tires into valuable commodities. Today, we'll explore the ins and outs of this technology, shedding light on how it's shaping a more sustainable future and revolutionizing the way we perceive waste. Each year, we generate billions of used tires worldwide. This vast amount of waste poses a significant environmental challenge. These tires, often relegated to landfills or illegally dumped, release harmful toxins into our air and water, contributing to pollution. But imagine if we could turn this seemingly insurmountable problem into an opportunity. What if these discarded tires could be transformed into valuable resources? Enter Tyre Pyrolysis. This is a thermal process that decomposes tires in an oxygen-free environment. It's a bit like cooking, but instead of creating a meal, we're breaking down the organic components of tires into separate, usable elements. The end products of this process are char, oil, syngas, and steel, each with its own set of applications. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating process of Tyre Pyrolysis. It all begins with the pre-treatment of the tires. This involves shredding the tires into smaller pieces, typically less than 2 inches in size. This size reduction is crucial as it increases the surface area of the tires, allowing for a more efficient thermal decomposition process. Once shredded, the tire pieces are fed into a reactor. This isn't your typical reactor. It's a specially designed, oxygen-free chamber. The absence of oxygen is critical to prevent the tires from burning and to ensure they undergo pyrolysis. The reactor is then heated, often to temperatures exceeding 400 degrees Celsius. As the heat penetrates the shredded tires, they start to decompose, releasing oil and gas. This is a complex chemical process where the long-chain polymers that make up the tires are broken down into smaller molecules. The gas that's released is a mixture of lighter hydrocarbons, commonly referred to as syngas. This syngas is directed out of the reactor and into a separate system where it's cooled and condensed into oil. Meanwhile, what remains in the reactor is a dry, solid material composed of steel and char. These are then separated using magnetic separation and sieving techniques. The steel is extracted for recycling, while the char, also known as carbon black, is collected for further processing or sale. The end products of Tyre Pyrolysis are as fascinating as the process itself. Let's start with the oil. This isn't your typical crude oil. It's a complex mixture of hydrocarbons with properties similar to diesel. This oil can be further refined and used as a fuel in various industries, from manufacturing to transportation. Next, we have the syngas. This is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide, and it's a valuable commodity in its own right. Syngas can be used for energy production, either directly in engines or through conversion into electricity in a generator. It can also be used as a feedstock in the chemical industry to produce a variety of products, from fertilizers to plastics. Then there's the steel. The steel wires that reinforce tires are left untouched by the pyrolysis process. Once separated from the char, this steel can be recycled and repurposed, contributing to the circular economy. Finally, we have the char, also known as carbon black. This is a form of elemental carbon that's highly sought after in various industries. It can be used as a reinforcing filler in tires and other rubber products, as a pigment in inks and paints, and even as a soil amendment in agriculture. The potential applications for carbon black are vast, making it a valuable product of Tyre Pyrolysis. Like any industrial process, Tyre Pyrolysis has its environmental considerations. On the one hand, it significantly reduces the volume of tire waste, repurposing it into useful materials. On the other hand, the process requires energy and can produce emissions. However, with advanced technology and stringent controls, these impacts can be effectively managed, making Tyre Pyrolysis a viable and environmentally friendly solution. Now, let's move from theory to practice. Scandinavian Enviro Systems, a Swedish company, is a pioneer in the field of tire pyrolysis. They've turned the concept into reality, transforming waste tires into valuable resources. Their state-of-the-art plant not only serves as a testament to the commercial viability of tire pyrolysis, but also stands as a beacon of environmental stewardship. As we look to the future, the prospects for tire pyrolysis are promising. The growing demand for sustainable solutions and the increasing awareness of the value in waste present a fertile ground for the growth of this industry. However, challenges lie ahead. Regulatory hurdles, technology costs, and the development of markets for the end products are all areas that need attention and innovation. But with continued research and investment, the potential for tire pyrolysis is immense. As we wrap up our exploration of tire pyrolysis, it's clear that this technology presents an exciting opportunity to turn a global waste problem into a source of valuable resources. As we strive for a more sustainable future, solutions like these will play a pivotal role. We encourage you to delve deeper into the world of tire pyrolysis and support initiatives that promote sustainable waste management. Remember, each step we take towards sustainability is a step towards a better future. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.